What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video, out and about again. It's been a while since I've been out because I've been working. I think I worked 60 hours this week and then the YouTube stuff too. But yeah, got plenty of stuff coming up. Let's go see what's up with this one. All right, so it is about 10:30. They did open about 30 minutes ago. I am late once again because I was out late, man. I don't think I got it home until like 2 in the morning yesterday. Was at the Comedy Store with the homie Eddie Firth and my boy Brandon Jordan. So yeah, happens, you guys, happens. Let's go. All right, huge line already. All right, let's look around. Start with the clearance store. Start with the clearance section, of course. Do got the 20% off. Of course, that is off the back section right here, the clearance wall. Damn, it looks like I missed out on a bunch of stuff, man. So many empty slots already. Dang. He had some grade school dunks. Also got some sixes, some Jordan 6s here. Not too bad. So, yeah, being late, that killed me, man. 9.5. Still got these LeBrons. They're going for $170 and then you get 20% off. So that's definitely the cheapest price we've seen these. That's another $34 off on top of that. So like $135 to get these for $135. Boxes busted up, but yeah, that's definitely the best deal we've seen on these. Okay. Do got an 8.5. No price tag on that one. I'm looking at the size 10s. That is where I'm at. But everything's kind of mixed around. Just too crazy here. $80 for the Flytrap 5s right here. Got the nurse's shoes right here. This is a size 12, go for $20. That's what, $16 after the discount. Yeah, but that is a pet peeve of mine, man. Look at that, dude. Man, send this to the refurbished store, dude. That's $20. You really can't complain, though, now that I think about it. Waffle trainers going for $45. Remember, you do get that 20% off. That's a hell of a deal. Metcon 7, size 10.5, going for $110. These are normally $130, right? No, $140, I think, right? No, $130. Oh, we're back to this area having... Oh, yeah, okay. Back to the men's section getting significantly bigger. All right, looks like the entire downstairs portion is men's sizes again. That is significantly different than before. Damn, a lot changed in the last 2 weeks, dude. But yeah, do got these. Haven't seen these. I don't think I've seen these in the wild, have I? I think these are the LeBron Palmers, right? The new ones. All right, they're here. Size 10.5. To get them for 20% off. Pretty dope. You know, these sold out. Do got Witness 5s. One of my boys was looking for one of these, but I didn't have time to go out this week. $95 for these. That is a 10. Going down in size 9.5. These Fly-E's. Remember, I've showed you guys these quite a few times. Easy to come in and out. I think it's technically meant for disabled people, but regular people can use these too. Works pretty well. I did try them on at one of the retail shops. Not bad. Those were a $120. Got some more of these Witnesses going for $95. More of these LeBron size 9 go for $170. More Soldiers. Always ton of Soldiers. $120. This is size 10.5. Infinity Run Finest. These are 8.5 in this area. Going for $80. Max Auras going for $115. That's a size 9.5. Zoom Kigers. For those of y'all that like to go hiking or trail running, $80 for those. That's a 9.5. These finally being slashed, size 9. Air Max 90s. These have been here at all the clearance stores forever. $100 for those. Blazers, size 8.5, go for $110. The jumbo Blazers. They got them in 9 as well. More of these Fly-E's. We're seeing a lot of these at the stores. Not size 6 though. $120. But you couldn't even find them, so it's nice to see them out and about. The GTS right here. These are pretty clean. Got that little suede toe guard right there. Ooh, suede on the bottom. Okay, not too bad. $80. That's a size 8.5. Tempo Next Percents. Go for $110. More of the LeBrons. That's a size 6. Size 9. Plenty of LeBrons. Okay. These funky looking Converse right here go for $2. Size 7.5. Those look weird. All right, moving up to size 11s. These are ones I've never seen. I've never seen this colorway. The Flytrap 5s down to $60. These are normally $90. Definitely never seen this colorway, but damn, hella cheap. What? $60, you do get that 20 off on top of that. So under $50, like $48 for that. Crazy. Tray 5s down to $55. This is a size 12. Size 13 Pegasus Flights go for $60. Looks like all the extended sizes is hella cheap right now. This is size 13. Look at this Tailwind 79 down to $37.97. Holy crap. $38 for these. Wow. These are normally like $130 or something. Wow. Size 11.5. I don't think I've ever seen this color. Super clean. Super clean. $38. What's it? Man, that brings it down to what? $32? $31? $31 I think. Holy crap, that's cheap. Size 12.90 for these. Definitely never seen the Flight 89s go for that cheap. Size 13, more of these go for $20. Size 12 as well. Monarchs, the big ones, go for $38. You get that extra 20 off. Dang, extended sizing prices are crazy. Size 12. Oh, I was like, these ain't no next percent. These are like Pegasus Shield 37s. So we don't know what the price is. Air Max. These ain't no Air Max 2017s out there. What the hell? Size 15 Vaporfly Next Percents go for $100. Get that extra discount. That's actually cheaper than the clearance store. Size 13, $165 for these. You get that extra discount. $75 from Metcon. Size 12. Everything is so spread out. But this used to be kids the last couple months, so that is dope that men's are back. Maybe they're getting more and more stuff. Okay. You got another one of these, size 13. Tailwind 79s go for $38. Dang. Size 14 Pegasus Flight E's go for $60 before the discount. All right, let's check out the aisles. Haven't been here in a couple weeks, so maybe they got something new here. Or maybe it's the same stuff over and over. I don't know. But yeah, retail? What? The Jordan Hydros going for $35. Isn't it like, what, $50? $55, okay. Witnesses, got a trio of them right here. The bread going for the cheapest, okay. Flytrap 4s, PG5s. This is actually like not a bad colorway. Did he wear them this year? I don't really know. I didn't really watch the Clippers too much this year. The nurses shoes, dang, $20, dude. Tanjunes right here. Killshot 2 leather. Finally seen them go down in price. I feel like these have been high for a while. Zions. Couple different colorways, regular price though. Soldier 14s, which have been at the outlets like forever. Nike waffles right here. Some ISPAs. What is the Nike drifters? Okay, they're here. Is Nike making sneakers out of burlap sacks and stuff, and then they're trying to get us for $2 and your toe? What the man? Come on now, dog. Really? Who's paying $2 for that? Really? All right, that's here if you guys need them. All right, I don't think anybody needs them, but that's what it is. You want some bright Air Max 2017s? There you go. Crater Impacts. Metcon 6s. Another one of those. Oh, that's a 7, my bad. Big changes to the 7. Dude got React, and then like a plastic piece right here for stability. Okay. Another pair of 6s going for retail, though. Free Metcon 3s, but they're not free. They're $100. They do have the 4E wides, though, if you need. If you got wide feet, I guess. Regular Monarchs. Another one of those. Yeah, that's pretty cheap, I guess. Pegasus 37s. Dang, got a bunch of these. Price is pretty decent, too. Pegasus 38s. Can't go wrong with this color, black and white. Price a little bit high on all these, though. Okay. That's a pretty good price if you like these Phantom React Flyknits. Pretty decent price. This is pretty much a Epic React Flyknit with no laces, pretty much. Elastic up top. Now what the hell is this? What the hell is this? Super Rap Go 3? I don't know. Okay, if you need those, they're here. Regular price. Invincible Run Flyknits. Got that Zoom X. All up on the midsole. This is the Infinity Run Flyknit 2s. Another one of those. React Myler. Does have the full length React. Another one of those. Alpha Fly Next Percents. $220. That's actually a really good price. I saw them for $100 at the clearance store. Do get picked up by the resellers usually, but yeah, I was in a crappy mood. Y'all saw that? Y'all know why. Vaporfly Next Percents right there, $30 off of those. More Pegasus 37, and we are all along the far right section. This used to be all kids throughout the entire 2022, I think, until now. You got clearance apparel here as well. Okay. All right, 30% off clearance, and look, acronym pants right here, like. They got all that stuff right here that does match the blazers. That's just awful looking. I don't know. We have $180. You do get 30% off the clearance clothing right now. Man, that's a small too. Got men's large shorts. Are these football shorts? Yeah, these are football shorts for pads right there and stuff. Okay, football shorts going for $85. That is retail. Damn. Small, extra large, medium. Got a few sizes. Got them in blue as well. 85 bucks full retail. I guess you get that 30 off, I guess. More 30% off. We are checking out shirts. Orange Jordan shirt going for 30. Remember, all this is 30% off. Got some hella bright sweatshirts going for 60 bucks from 85. White Nike hoodie. They go 50 bucks. It's retail, bro, though, man. Come on now. What the hell? The prices were cheap as hell 2 weeks ago. Now they're all up to regular price now. The prices do fluctuate like crazy. Oh, these are $30. These are $30. That is a steal. $30, and then you get another 30% off. So what, $21 for hoodies? Damn. These are all men's mediums. Dang, okay. All right. So we are finding steals. Ice hockey. 15 bucks for these. Okay. Clippers jerseys down to 110, down to 110. Okay. 3 cents off, I guess. Jordan shirts. I think these are 25. Oh, 15. Okay. So that's under $10. Okay. All right. So 15 with 30% off. I think that's like slightly over $10. It might be like $10.20. I'm trying to do math in front of you guys, dude. Shit. Stop tripping. $10 for this. This is actually really dope. It is a triple XL though. For triple XL, man, $10 shirt. By $10, I mean 30% off. So $7 shirt. Man, where were these deals when I was looking for stuff for SneakerCon for y'all, man? What the hell? $20 for those. Now that I think about it, I did get the shirts for 10 bucks. I guess I need to stop complaining. Small sweatshirt right here. Really thin, $25. That's a good price. Does look like they got some apparel deals. Do you see the 30% off up top? Okay. All right, so we are back upstairs. We are back to the kids section being upstairs now. So yeah, that's pretty dope because that leaves more space for men. I think most people who shop at the Nike outlets are men, right? I don't know. Am I wrong on that? That one dude, one of the resellers I did see, he did find some dunks up here. Kids section. Let's go check out like the kids aisles. I'm not gonna go check the clearance section. And look at that. That's a freaking good deal right here. That drops it down to $40. Comfy as hell. Prestos, can't go wrong with Presto. Reacts. LeBron lows right here. Got some Witness 5s in grade school. Zoom Freak 3s. Playscapes. Okay. I had some sandals going for hella cheap. Presto Extremes. Doesn't look like they got that much. Did Air Max Bolts? Probably why they brought it upstairs. Bunch of generic stuff. Air Max Access. And then all women's stuff. Pegasus 38s right here. But tons and tons of generic stuff in the women's section. Man, not really much. The waffle trainers, I guess. But not really much in the women's section. I think we're going to wrap it up, dude. Really. Let's check out what I do got on feet today. We got the Paris Saint Germain Jordan 6s. PSG 6s. Just love these. I did wear these to the comedy club last night. I was running late, so I just threw it on. Threw it on feet because I was like, oh crap, I'm late. But yeah, man, I got these at the clearance store. One of my best clearance finds, I think, ever, dude. Got them, I think, around $100. Then it is hot outside. Shorts, t-shirt, and wearing my, I think I got this at Champs. I got this $10 at Champs. If y'all know what that is, y'all know what it is. Damn, I just realized it's a mirror, so you could like barely even tell what my shirt is. Dang it. All right, we are gonna wrap it up at this store. I do want to stop by Reebok real quick. I don't have time to go to all the stores here, but Reebok, I need to make a stop at Reebok real quick at least. I have never noticed they got a Zales outlet. Get diamonds for cheap? What the hell? Dang, how much would your girl clown on you if you got a diamond on clearance? I don't know. How does that work? Dude got a New Balance outlet. No time for that today. But yeah, we are gonna stop by Reebok. Dude got entire store 40% off. Of course, exclusions apply. All right, let's see. In the clearance section, I said this was going to be quick. It is 40% off. But yeah, all they really have are these. These are going for what, $130. This is size 9.5. More 9. Dang, a ton of 9.5s right there. Size 10, 10.5. Nothing really. did grab some question mids from up top right there. Let's see what this is. Is it going to be one of those right there? Oh man, the same old. I got duped. Got duped, man. $1.20 for these. At least you get the full box on this one. Dude, got these right here. These are going for $100 if you're a size 8. That's not bad. 40% off of this. This is what's up. And 40% off $120. So, damn, that's hella cheap. Wow. That brings us down to what? $70? 70 something dollars? Damn, that's definitely the cheapest we've seen these. Damn, that's what's up. Excluded from promo right here. This one as well. Damn, are all the Iversons excluded? What the hell, dude? All right, just this colorway. Just this colorway is a part of the promotion. Oh, this one too? The Solutions, right? All right. That's actually a pretty good price. But these are like the Jordan 11 low IEs. Yeah, like just people just ain't into them. Another colorway right here. All right, they probably got deals on apparel and stuff like that, but I'm gonna wrap it up. I need to go to the next stop. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys, I think the outlets are starting to make a comeback just because a lot of stuff's getting returned. A lot of people are returning Jordan retros, and that's what a lot of people are looking for, right? They did have 6s. I was late, obviously, but they did have Jordan 6s. I saw my man with one of those. He also had some Dunks. Even Dunks is getting returned, you guys. It was a great school. So yeah, to be able to get that for 20% off, that is pretty freaking dope. The economy is starting to go down. I've been saying this for the last, what, 5-6 months? Like, hey, I think it's gonna happen. It is finally starting to happen. So if you are struggling financially, make sure you guys save up. Make sure you guys do what you can to help yourselves. But if you have a few extra bucks, definitely a good time to hit up the outlets because we are gonna be able to find deals. We are gonna be able to find steals. Yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Thanks for making it to the end. Y'all know how much that means to me. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Go ahead and press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell if you are new. Because, man, I do drop tons and tons of videos. Yeah, I missed a couple days, but should be back to regular videos. Yeah, so see you guys in the next one. Peace. Damn, I made all kinds of errors today. All right, see you. Size 13, we see another really good deal on these. $38 for the package. Finally see them go. Made out of what is that made? Is that Monarchs? Oh my goodness, these are the Invincible Zoom. Damn, why can't I say it?